Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1967 Pontiac GTO, fully documented by PHS Documents. Beautiful red exterior, white interior, white convertible top. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. 400 V8. It does have the Turbo Hydra-Matic transmission. Couple small upgrades. You see aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, vintage air, which is a great add. Vehicle does have power brakes, power steering, and digital gauges, I do believe. Yes, sir. His and her shifter. But before we get too far into this beautiful 67 GTO, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University here on 301. We keep about 100 vehicles in inventory at all times. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European. Well, today we're going to focus on this 67 GTO, fully documented by PHS. If you are interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle that I just scanned through briefly here, you can visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. or give us a call at 941-355-1955. You can see the paint on this 67 GTO is just absolutely stunning. Again, the paint is in excellent condition. We are a full service dealership, so if you have any finance needs, we can certainly finance. We have classic car lenders that are willing to finance classic cars, and a few lenders that will also finance your late model. If you're not in Florida, don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world. About 70% of what we sell leaves the state of Florida, so we can get your dream car anywhere you may be in the US. Again, back on this 67, you'll see additional pictures on the website, but just want to show you kind of the highlights today as a walk around video. You see the white interior, wood wheel, wood grain on the dash, center console, his and hers shifter, seat belts, the white raised leather tires, excuse me, PMD wheels. Again, the paint is in excellent condition. 67 convertible, PHS documented, vintage air, digital gauges, 400 cubic inch. We'll go ahead and start it up, let you hear it run for a second here, just so you see it is a cold start. Everything is cold here. Keep the batteries disconnected while they're inside the warehouse here. Inside, make sure we got the right key here. You can find it. It is one of these. There we go. AC's blowing. Couple pumps. pumps. See clock. New radio. The vintage look though. And as I mentioned, his and hers. Just over 4,000 miles on the odometer. As I mentioned, digital gauges. There's that big Kenwood speakers. The high idle is on, but we'll let it warm up a little bit before we kick that off. Rev it up. Engine sounds fantastic. Take you back, let you listen to the exhaust. No smoke, no liquid coming out. So again, beautiful GTO here. Let's rev it up just a hair. Again, it's still coming up to temperature. Comes down, idle's excellent. You can hear it. The dual exhaust sounds fantastic. AC blows nice and cold. Go ahead and turn it off here. Again, just a very well kept, preserved 67 GTO convertible. Go ahead and just connect the battery here. Again, just a beautiful 1967 GTO convertible, 400, 2-barrel carburetor. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. If you do have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, and we appreciate you joining in. Thank you very much.